Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to check if a given sequence of moves for a robot is circular or not. Given a sequence of moves for a robot, check if the sequence is circular or not. A sequence of moves is circular if the first and the last position of the robot are same. A move can be on one of the following. G, go 1 unit. L, turn left. R, turn right. For input path GLGLGLG, output is given sequence of moves is circular. For input path GLLG, the output given sequence of moves is circular. The idea is to consider the starting point as 0, 0 and direction as east. We can pick any values for these. If after the given sequence of moves we come back to 0, 0, then the given sequence is circular, otherwise not. The move G changes either X or Y according to the following rules. If the current direction is north, then G increments Y and doesn't change X. If the current direction is east, then G increments X and doesn't change Y. If the current direction is south, then G decrements Y and doesn't change X. If the current direction is west, then G decrements X and doesn't change Y. The moves L and R do not change X and Y coordinate, they only change the direction according to the following rule. If the current direction is north, then L changes the direction to west and R changes the direction to east. If the current direction is east, then L changes the direction to north and R changes to south. If the current direction is south, then L changes direction to east and R changes to west. If the current direction is west, then L changes the direction to south and R changes to north. Now let's have a look at the implementation. Initializing starting point for robot as 0, 0 and starting direction as N north, that is X equal to 0, Y equal to 0 and dir direction equal to N. Traverse the path given for the robot and find the current move by move equal to path of I. If the move is left or right, then change the direction. If move is R, direction equal to direction plus 1 percentage 4. Else, if move is L, direction is equal to 4 plus direction minus 1 percentage 4. If the move is go, then direction X, then change X or Y according to the current direction. If direction is N, do Y plus plus. If direction is E, do X plus plus. If direction is S, do Y minus minus. And if direction is W, do X minus minus. Finally, if the robot comes back to 0, 0, then the path is cyclic. Return the value of X is 0 and Y is 0. The time complexity of this solution is order N, where N is the number of moves in the given sequence. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.